Hello guys, it's me Craig, and today we're gonna react to an episode of Jigsaw. I have no idea what this is. Just get into it.
Hello everyone. Last week's word. Did you get it? Well, the letters we gave were T for the famous hot drink that we have at tea time. H was the letter Ector, always drops. The letter I was the initial letter of the two inks the insects jumped into. N was the letter that started all the notices Nosybong found, and thin was what Dot made Adrian. Then, G was the good clue the GI gave us.
Like some gum.
Gum?
And some grass.
Grass?
Yep, for my horse.
And finally, K was found in karate, skiing, and cricket. And if you had a good think, you would have jiggled the letters around and made...
Me, a knight.
What's the point of having those letters swapped around, and you can clearly know that's gonna be a knight anyway, so...
For the third, let's go over to Miss Sock and Screech's class and see.
Today we are going to look at another letter.
A love letter, miss?
Why are you so stupid, Ulrich? Not a letter you post, but a letter in the alphabet.
You, Henrik! Do not leave the faces!
Why are you playing the violin in my class, Vincent?
It's a note of C, miss. Mild C.
Oh, well done, Vincent.
What?
Top of the class.
Hooray!
Well, we are rattling through the clues to the letters today.
Jig! I can't get this dratted clue to last week's word off! Ah, what?
Don't worry, Adrian. I'll get it off for you with a little jiggery-pokery.
Hey.
Ha! You're not doing anything with me.
No, Jig. Jiggery-pokery means magic. Watch.
Ah,
There.
hey!
Oh. I say, this suit of armour, Adrian,
Huh?
reminds me of a rather scary experience I once had.
Yes, but is it a clue to the next letter?
Of course.
Oh.
I'll tell my story in rhyme, and if you all listen to the last word in each line...
It's that girl from Lazy Town.
And then appeared a ghastly ghoul who disgustingly said... Behind him, as he began to drool, stood an awful monster, too. From out the shadows, another spook, who stood there with a mop. A wispy thing that was a spook, with antennae on the top. My heart did quake, my knees just shook. I was so full of woe. They did think I was some crook.
Somebody's dead. Somebody's dead. Uh-oh.
A respectable man among them now said,
I'm Dot Frankenstein. Young Dot have shown them how to be like a heroine.
of course I felt quite good and proud to be told I was on top. So from that ghastly monster crowd, I departed with a pop.
We're starting some kind of weird 80s disco song now. That's not included in this video, by the way. Copyright, you know, you can't put that on YouTube, you know. Only if you've been paid to do it.
Well, after that scary letter, we come to the last one for this week.
Singing like old sock sings. It can only be one person around here.
Song, you know.
Told you, Mr. Grow song.
Long.
Sorry, long song.
It was quite a short one, actually. Now, how would you like some more flowers in here? I've got some more seeds.
No, I don't think so. I mean, look at it. It's already like Kew Garden.
I bought this super duper bumper surprise packet of seeds along. Super seeds.
Is it me or is that farmer is just so annoying?
That's going to grow into a
Sunflower. Well, it says it's quite surprising, so shall I go and plant some of the others?
Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So, you take your seeds and you scatter them about 12 inches apart, you see, like that. And finally, you just stand back and waits. Here she comes, now that's the way.
Hey,
Throw quick up, as there's no delay. Now,
That's not fancy. Is this supposed to be a boner point or something? I don't know. I don't get the fact that there's boner references in a kid show. In a kid show.
so if flowers come from seeds, so does storms.
Oh, no. All this was just so you get that ridiculous joke in. I mean,
No, they were all clues to the last letter, weren't they? Oh!
That's right, well done, Mr. Growlon. You should have all the letters now. Number 1 was the formation that the geese flew in. Number 2 was the letter that ended all the things that touched Nosy Bonk's nose. Number 3 was the letter Miss Zockenscreech was after. Number 4 was the letter in Wilf's machine. Number 5 was in the middle of ghost and ghoul and spook and dot. Number 6 began all the things that grew out of Mr. Growlong's special seeds. Now, if you jiggle the letters around, you'll find the jig word, and there are plenty of them in this film. We'll tell you the answer next week if you didn't get it, so until then, goodbye!
I give up now. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video and I'll see you on next time with Craig D Reacts. Bye!